In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Deepseek on your phone in just a few easy steps. First, open the App Store. Once you are in, tap on the search bar at the bottom right corner. Now go to search bar and type in Deepseek and hit the search. You'll find the Deepseek right here. Now simply click on this icon right here. It may take some time to download the app. Once it's downloaded, tap on open, tap on agree, and you can log in using your email and password. You'll find the Deepseek app right on your home screen once you have installed it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.